Hi everyone, so as per my last video I did say there was an intercooler upgrade I was thinking about. So I took the plunge and this is what's come through the post. So it's a thicker cord 62mm top mounted intercooler, and this is going to replace the bog standard R53 intercooler on the top, so we can get some better cooling. So first job to do is just to remove the protector plate on the top. I'm just going to undo these 4 screws here, so let's do that. So that's the protector off. That's what we have. Some of you are asking about the uprated ignition leads I have here. So these were custom made for me at a fraction of a cost by any big brand. The person you want to be speaking to is Mr. Retro Leads Plugs. So if you drop him an email, or you can give him a ring, speak to Anthony. If you give him the specifications, he will make those to your requirements, and very highly recommended, very highly recommended. So without further ado, the next thing I need to do is just to release this. Okay, there's a couple of brackets I need to undo just to take it off. Take off the snoot boots as well. I'm going to stick to the original boots. I've heard that the aftermarket ones do not seal very well, so I'll keep in line with this, and let me start undoing those. Okay, so I've taken the top parts off of the brackets for boots on both sides here. Next thing to do is just to unscrew and release some of the other brackets that are holding the intercooler in place. So we've got a bracket here, another bracket here, and there's one at the back here, and also one there, and that should release the brackets. So these 8mm little screws, I'll take those off, and hopefully that'll release the intercooler. Right, so that's the intercooler, the old intercooler off. It turned out I didn't need to kind of undo these back brackets here, but the 2 front ones, yeah, because it kind of holds it down. But for comparison, this is what we have here. Okay, so old on the top and new on the bottom. As you can see, much wider from the new intercooler. And if I can get a better shot, you see it's much thicker as well. So it's to reversal now, so I'll just get that back on, and I'll show you what that looks like once that's done. So that's the upgraded intercooler all installed now. It's all secure. So just something to note, these brackets here, they were metal to metal, so I've just put in like a 2-3mm rubber grommet, that one and this one here, just so it's not metal on metal. But it all looks secure now. I've read also that the air diverter here, just on the scoop on the bonnet, you should take that off, but I've trialed it and the bonnet does shut, and there's nothing fouling the new intercooler, so I'm going to keep it on there for the time being, and yeah, just see how that goes. So all that's left now is really just to take it out on the road and see how it performs. Thanks for watching, everyone.